Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can print a label on Fedex. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to print a label, there are three different methods of printing. So the first one is, this is one of the quickest way of print and go on your schedule and at the convenient fedex.com. Now what you need to do is you need to email your file to printandgo@fedex.com. I'll make sure to drop the email address on my description box below. All you have to do is you need to receive a retrieval code, and after that you need to go to the self-service point at the nearby FedEx office, and then you need to select the print, use your code and follow the instruction. After that you've successfully printed your label. Now the other thing what you can do is step number 2. If you have your file on your cloud, then you can do cloud printing. For that, you'll need to find a self-service area in the store, select the cloud provider Microsoft OneDrive, search for the file and then print it out. And on the step number 3, you can use a USB flash driving printing. Once again, find the self-service point, and after that you need to insert in your USB and you'll need to find the file that you have stored on your device, and after that you need to print it out. In this way you can print out a label for FedEx. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.